Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sharma, Charm, and this is my friend Jessica, and this is my niece Michaela. Stay tuned.
Welcome back, guys.
Today is my birthday and we're having a birthday special, so we're going to do an animal challenge.
You serious?
Yes. So what we're gonna do again? We're going to each person is going to take a dip in the box, and whatever animal name that comes out, that's the animal sound we're gonna attempt to do, or we're gonna do it perfectly. All right. So who's going to go first?
I'll go first.
All right, because it's your birthday.
Okay. I'm supposed to open it up. I got dog. Okay.
So what's on the dog, babe?
Is it a little dog?
Whether it's a puppy or a whether it's a little dog or a big dog. What a big dog, man! Alright, so we have to discard that. Alright, so me. Good. Alright. Hey. Donkey. Oh, donkey go. Oh, donkey go again. What's a donkey go?
Yeah.
Alright, so you know Michaela. Pig.
Easy. So easy.
Oh, pig. Oh, pig.
Oh no, nobody never said that. I mean, I think about the mango if we go slice up tonight.
Mango, we are talking about the animal.
Oh, animal.
Whose turn is it? My turn?
No, Michaela. Michaela made the pig sound again.
Oh my gosh, that pig.
What kind of pig sound that?
Maybe
Come, sound up the
a
pig.
pepper pig.
Sound up the pig.
A pepper pig.
The pig is tired.
The pig want feeding.
Okay, Sharma's turn.
Okay.
Something easy. Ants?
And snake sound.
Seriously, ants? Alright, let me describe the ant.
Yeah.
It is black in color and it will bite you. It doesn't have a sound.
Alright, my turn. Let's see. Elephant. What kind of sound elephant make now? Eh?
The odd. God knows.
This is a pass. Joel can make one elephant sound.
No, you have to make the elephant
It is a
sound.
pass.
It's not a
It's
pass.
a pass.
Y'all are playing, not
No,
us.
it's a pass.
Make the sound of the
Alright,
elephant.
Joel is going to make that sound.
Alright, you're gonna ask Tarzan.
Tarzan.
True sound. It's like
You're
a
gonna
true
ask
sound.
Tarzan.
It's like a
We can't make that sound there.
people, we apologize, but we cannot make that sound. If you can, please comment down below.
Yeah. Kayla, your turn.
I got a rabbit.
Rabbit?
Make the sound.
What's a rabbit? Alright, so your turn again.
No, it's what right the side of the
Okay, let's see.
I just made that. Okay.
Oh my gosh. Why am I getting these?
Oh, which animal there?
Mosquito.
Oh God!
Okay, really? It is also black in color. And it bites. It sucks your blood. Like the vampire does.
Oh Lord, my turn.
Merciful Father.
Oh, one more day. Snake. Well, this is an easy one. Let's do the song, Sham. I think we should do the song. Yes. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. All right. So only one left back, Michaela.
Rooster.
Cock-a-doodle-doo. Never said before. You know how rooster go?
That the roast of the hungry man.
I beg your pardon.
Come Sharma, make the rooster sound.
Alright, so that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you like, share, comment and subscribe. And be sure to check out Sharma's channel at Charms Charm. And
It's your girl Kayla.
so bye.
Don't forget to hit the notification bell.
Heart of love. Mwah.